Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, and that means that after today, there is only one more day until the weekend. It also means that tomorrow we have our classroom Zoom. I have a fun announcement to share with you all, so please come if you can. Definitely know it's not required, but if you come, I have something fun and exciting to share. Also, we are going to play a game instead of a scavenger hunt tomorrow. We'll go back to the scavenger hunt, but tomorrow I thought we'd play a fun game. Zoom will be tomorrow at 1:30. The link will be in Perusich 4th grade classroom. Okay, so check for the link around 1 o'clock. Make sure to write down any questions that you might have about any of the work you're working on. And yes, I teach history, and yes, I teach your English, but I might be able to answer some of your science questions, or I might be able to answer some of your math questions. So if you have questions about those, let me know, okay? So make sure that you are using this time to also clarify any problems you might be having with your classwork. For your DBQ, we're still working on our DBQ, I need you to complete your body paragraph today. So that means up until now, you should have, by now, your graphic organizer complete. You should have your introduction done or almost done. And today you should start your body paragraph. Tomorrow you will be completing your concluding paragraph. You're not turning in your slides tomorrow, you're just finishing it because the following week, next week, you're going to be editing and revising and then turning in your final draft. I'm going to be sending out progress reports tomorrow to you as well as your parents. This report is going to have every quiz or assessment that you've needed to complete since we started remote teaching or remote learning. It will be a good way to see what you're missing that might go into Mastery Connect, or it's a good way to see how well you've done since you've started remote learning. This progress report is also going to have your current grades in each one of your classes, so you know what classes you may want to try to start bringing your grades up in. I'm going to also post your AR goal and where you are currently with your goal, because remember that is a grade. Almost everyone in our class, almost everyone got to their goal last quarter. I'd love to see you guys do that again. I've set your goals for you, but if you feel like your goal, you don't like your goal, this is a great time to look at it and reach out to me and say, no, I don't really like that goal. Can we change it? Okay, I'm putting that on you this time. So it's pretty important for you to look at this progress report. So I'm going to send it to your emails as well as your parents. Okay, so make sure to check it out. Don't forget to log into your specials class. So today is art. So make sure to get into your art classroom. And then today is Thursday, so today at 1 o'clock there is a science Zoom meeting. If you need any specific help in science, Miss Patterson has opened herself up at 1 o'clock for you to ask questions. And last but not least, fill out your check-in form. So let's go through your assignments that you have to complete today. Like we've been doing, there's no reading lessons today. I've already told you what you need to complete in writing. You need to get your body paragraph started today, and I'd like you to finish it. But don't panic if you're a little bit behind. You have all week next week to publish and edit, so there might be some catch-up time next week. So I don't want you to panic, but I do want you to try as hard as you can to stay on the schedule that we've created for you. So today is your body paragraph. Make sure you're reading for 30 minutes for literacy block. And then check into your Math Google Classroom for your lessons there. It looks like you are comparing numbers that are represented in different ways today. So that's going to be an interesting lesson. I'm sure she's got a great video for you. In social studies, you have 3 more slides that I want you to complete in your American Revolution project that you've been starting, where you have to put the events in order and answer questions about those events. You have something else that I put in today too. You have a Kahoot review. I'm going to write that here. You have your end of unit assessment tomorrow. So this Kahoot review you can play, and you can play it as many times as you want to help you be prepared for tomorrow's assessment. The pin is in the assignment. When you click the assignment where it gives you the instructions, the pin to get into the Kahoot game is right there. Let me know if you can't find it, but please play that game. It will be really helpful for you tomorrow. And I mean, probably a lot of those questions are on the end of unit assessment. I would just maybe think about that. Science, you're working on bird behaviors today. You're going to watch a few short videos, and then you're going to be doing a sorting activity, it looks like. Don't forget about that science Zoom meeting at 1. And it looks like you're going to be playing a fun game called Desert Animal Charade, so that's kind of cool. And then in art today, you need to turn in, today is your superhero drawing is due today, so make sure you get that turned in. And then it looks like you start your rough draft of a coronavirus public service announcement, a PSA. So you're going to be looking at the photo essay about artists all over the world who are making PSAs to help bring awareness about stopping the coronavirus. So this is going to be kind of an interesting lesson. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. That seems to be it for today. Don't forget to play your Kahoot, check into all your classrooms, and definitely work on that DBQ. Okay, remember that DBQ, we are taking 3 grades off of it. So you need to make sure that you do your very best with that. Don't just throw it together at the last minute. I want you to try your hardest on it. I know you guys are all very good writers. I've seen some wonderful things from you guys. So I want you guys to continue that throughout this DBQ. All right, I'll see you on Go Guardian at 10:30 if you need anything.